Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn chapter 5 of Lines and Angles for class 7 introduction part 2 video. Transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects a set of two or more parallel lines at distinct points. So this is called a transversal. This line T is transversal. Transversal is a line. This line intersects a set of two or more parallel lines at different points. That's all. T is the transversal for lines A and B. Next, parallel line. What is parallel lines? Two lines lying in a same plane. Also, they never meet. However, long these are extended. In a railway track, the track lines never meet. That means the parallel track lines never meet. They will go just like that only. They may intersect with another track. Okay, they never meet. That is the very good example for parallel lines. That is not line. It may be in curve, but you can take it as an example. They never meet. Two lines, that means these lines never meet anywhere. If you extend both sides endlessly, always it will go in a straight line path only. It will never cut each other. This two lines lying in the same plane, also they never meet. However long these are extended. If you extend to any level, they won't meet. That is called parallel lines. A and B are parallel lines. A and B never intersect or meet. It is denoted by A parallel to B. This is called parallel symbol. A parallel to B. Names of angles formed by a transversal. See, during transversal, this is the point of intersection, no? Two lines meet. So, what will happen? Point of intersection. Also see, vertically opposite angles also formed. These points are point of intersection between the parallel lines and the transversal line. So many angles are formed. We are going to give names for these angles. So, let us see what are those names. See here. This is the transversal line T. It cut the parallel lines A and B at points A and B. Capital A and B. Now see here. Angles are formed. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just I am giving a number for this angles formed. So we will give names also for this. Interior angles. What is interior angle? Angle lies between A and B. See, inside A and B. These are all called interior angles. That means 3, 4, 5, 6. Angles lies between A and B. Angles which have the line segment AB as one arm. This AB as one arm. Yeah, it is an arm, no? AB as one arm. It formed here only. Using this arm, this 3 also formed. Using this AB arm, 4 formed. Similarly, using this AB arm, 5 and 6 formed. Also, it is inside A and B. It is in between. Angles lies in between lines A and B. Angles which have the line segment AB as one arm. So, 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. See here, I have shown only interior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6. I removed all the other angles. Just for your understanding sake, I have mentioned only interior angles. That means I cut those part and give you like this. 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all interior angles. Exterior means outside it will go. Only inside the lines. Next, interior alternate angles. Of the interior angles, the angles which are opposite side of the transversal and lie in separate linear pair. See here. 3, 5. Also 4, 6. Alternate means other side angle. This 3. See here. Z shape is forming, no? I have used different color for shown you interior alternate angle. This angle. Also this angle. See, this is Z shape. Proper Z shape. 4 and 6. Also here. 3 and 5. Ulta Z shape. 3 and 5 are interior alternate angles. It is inside only but alternate. Here one angle and here one angle. It is in the shape like that. Here one formed and here one formed like that. Alternate. Just alternate angles. 3 and 5. Similarly, in this side 4 and 6. If it forms like that, these are all interior alternate angles, not opposite, alternate. Here 3 means here 5. Similarly, 4, 6. Next, exterior angles. Exterior means from the name itself you can easily tell outside angle, right? Angles which do not have the line AB as one arm. See here, 1, 2, 7, 8. So, angles formed here are exterior angles. AB is here only. So, outside that no AB. So, it is going endlessly a line, transversal line. So, the angles formed outside the lines A and B are called exterior angles. So, 1, 2, 7, 8 are exterior angles. Like interior alternate angles, we are going to see what is exterior alternate angle. Same way. See here, these are all only consider exterior angles. The alternately formed, no, this 1 and 7. See, I have used different sketch for exterior alternate angle pairs. 1 and 7 make an exterior alternate angle pair. Similarly, 2 and 8 are exterior alternate angles. See here also. The angle formed is like that. Here one means, here one means. Here one and here one. The angles which are on opposite side of the transversal line. This is the transversal line. Here it is opposite. Right? Opposite side of the transversal line and in separate linear pair. They are not in the same linear pair. These two makes linear pair, right? But opposite linear, separate linear pair. 1 and 7 are separate linear pair. 2 and 8 are separate linear pair. So, these makes exterior alternate angles. Next, corresponding angles. The pair of angles on one side of transversal, one of which is an exterior angle while the other is an interior angle, but together do not form a linear pair. See here, here also I have used different colors to make you understand clearly. See, 1 and 5. The pair of angles on one side of the transversal, only same side. Alternate angles we have seen different side, right? Opposite side. But corresponding means here one means one exterior and one interior. Similarly, 2 means here 6. One exterior, one interior. One interior 4, one exterior 8. One interior 3, one exterior 7. So, the angles formed like this are called corresponding angles. Corresponding, that means it is this exterior angle 1 is corresponding to interior angle 5. Same side of the transversal always. That is called corresponding. This 4 is corresponds to 8, 2 corresponds to 6, similarly 3 corresponds to 7. Same side of the transversal. 1 and 5 are corresponding angles. 1, 5. Similarly, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4, 8. For your understanding only, I clearly mentioned different colors to show you the corresponding angles. Properties of parallel lines cut by a transversal. See, a transversal line T cuts the two parallel lines. Okay. Now, what are the properties we are going to have by this transversal cut? Let's see. First one, the alternate angles formed are equal. So, what are the alternate angles formed? The alternate angles formed are equal means interior alternate angles also formed, right? Exterior alternate angles also formed, that are always equal. See here, this is alternate angles. What are the alternate angles? Just have a clear concept. 3 and 5 interior alternate angles means 3, 5. Similarly 4, 6, right? Keep it in mind. See here, this 3 is equal to 5 and 4 is equal to 6. Similarly, what are the exterior alternate angles? 1 and 7. Similarly, 2 and 8. See here. 1 is equal to 7. 2 is equal to 8. This is one of the main important property. The alternate angles formed are always equal. Second, the corresponding angles formed are equal to each other. What are the corresponding angles? Same side of the transversal, the angles formed are called corresponding angles. See this 1 and 5. Similarly 4, 6. One exterior, one interior. One interior, one exterior. These are all corresponding angles. 2 and 6. 3 and 7. They are always equal. See here. 1 and 5. 1 equal to 5. Similarly, 2 equal to 6. The corresponding angles. These are all corresponding. Similarly, another corresponding angle is 4, 8. Correct? 4, 8. So, this angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Here corresponding 3 and 7. So, 3 is corresponding means it is equal. They are equal. 3 is equal to 7. Next, the sum of two interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. Two interior angles on the same side of the transversal. These are all two interior angle, right? Same side of the transversal means it belongs to only one side. This 4 and 5 belongs to this side, left side, and 3 and 6 belongs to right side. So, if you add these two angles, it will always gives you 180 degree. See here. Angle 4 and angle 5 together gives you 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 and angle 6 addition of both gives you 180 degree. So, these are all very important property. Only 3 properties are there. You need to have very clear concept about this because it's very important to solve all the problems easily. Thank you.